All right, so we should be on page 183.
Can I go get some pencils because
You have a pencil.
what?
Yeah. Okay, so 183, this is similar to what we've been doing, but now you see there are 3 numbers. Okay, so I'm going to do some of these for you guys. Just follow along with this. So today you're going to be able to add up to 3 2-digit numbers. So you've been doing 2 digits, you're good, you're good, you're good. But now look, we have 1, 2, 3 numbers. Okay, so this is what they want you to do first. Let's just add these 2 first. Okay, so I'm going to do this fancy little thing where I look at my tens. What is the 30 and the 20 together? 50. What's my 4 and my 6 together? 10. So I know it's actually 60. So go ahead and put it in there. 60. Okay, now what do I have to still add that to? The 24. So 60 plus 24 isn't that challenging anymore because 60 plus the 20 is 80. And then you keep the ones place, which is 4. Okay, is that the only way you could have solved this problem? No, you could have done other grouping. So go down to this one. So look at, they're looking at these 2 numbers. It's still the same 3 numbers. They're saying, okay, let's put these 2 together. So what's my 2 and my 2?
40.
That's 40. Well, let's look at our ones. The 6 and the 4 is 10. So this answer down here is going to be, it's going to be 50. So I'm not finished, of course, because I still have this 34. What's 34 and add a 50 to it?
84.
I have my 3 and my 5, 80, and my ones place is still 4. Okay, is that the only way I could have done it? No, I could have done it one other way. So I have the back 2, I could have put those together, right? What's the 30 and the 20? 50. And then my 4s are 8. So I have 58. This one's a little bit more challenging because now I have 58 and 26. So I'm just going to make sure that I do this right. 58 plus 26. Okay, I'm going to do it like this. 58 plus 26. Remember this from the other day? I'm going to do the regroup. I'm going to do 58 plus 26 up and down. I like it that way. What's 8 and 6 together?
14.
It is 14. So you put your 4 there, and you carry up that 1. So what's the 1 and the 5 together? 6 plus 2 more is 8. So of course we get the same answer, right? 84. All right, so make sure you have that all written down. Okay, did you get the same answers? Of course, it's the same equation, right? 34 plus 26 plus 24. 34 plus 26 plus 24. 34 plus 26 plus 24. Okay, but you did them in different ways, okay? It doesn't matter which way you add them together. Emma, put that away. Your pencil should be in your hand, that's it. Okay? So, what is the same about these equations? Just listen, you don't have to write this. What is the same about all these? Okay, that's right. So I'm just going to say all equal 84. Nope, just listen. What else do they all have?
The same number.
What do we call numbers that are added together? Addends. All addends are the same. Okay. What is different? Ileana, you don't have to write this, sweetie. Just listen. What's different about these? What was different about how we did all these? Raising your hand. Raising your hand. Chrissy, what was different about these equations?
They're all different numbers. They're all in different orders.
We added them in different orders? Yes. So we added in different orders. Very good. Okay, you don't need to write this. Just understand. Does that make sense? What is the same? They all equal 84. What is the same? All the add-ins are the same. What are the add-ins? 34, 26, 24. 34, 26, 24. 34, 26, 24. Those are the same. And then we added in different orders. That's what's different. Okay, turn the page. Okay, this is what's fun about today. It looks similar to what we've been doing, but there's now another number. So it's, I think you guys are doing a really good job with regrouping, but now they're looking at, can you regroup using 3 numbers? So let's look at this. 37 plus 14 plus 23 equals what? You can do it some different ways, right? Here's one way they did this. So they put them all up and down. What did they add over here? They added the 7, right, or the 4 and the 3 to be 7. Look at how fun this is. Ready? What's 7 plus 7?
14.
Look at, they did 14. So 14. I know, I love that. And then look at over here. 1 and 3 and 1 and 2 together is 7. I know, isn't that fun? Or you could do it another way. Look at this one. I like this one because look at this is making a nice 10. What's 7 and 3, guys? 10. Add a 4 to it.
14.
Look at 14. And then what's 1 and 3 and 1 and 2? 7. Isn't that kind of fun? So it's not as hard as maybe it looks, okay? You put them up and down like that, and you're kind of doing that regrouping, but you're saying, what numbers can I just put together? Okay? Let's look at number 1. Now, you can do this for your homework any way you'd like, but for right now, let's do it all together. So we have, let's read it together. We have 16 plus 34 plus 21. Say it with me, the whole class. Ready? 16 plus 34 plus 21. Okay, so when you write these, you have to write them up and down. Let's put together the 4 and the 6. Because what is, guys, what's 4 and 6 together?
10.
Thank you, 10. And then what's 10 plus 1 more?
11.
Okay, so write the ones in the ones place, because that's the 1. And then the 11 also has a 10. Does that make sense why I did that?
Yeah.
Okay, now what's 1 and 1?
2.
2 plus 3,
5.
5 plus 2 more.
7.
7. So your answer is what?
71.
71. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
All right, let's get number 2. Now, again, you can do these however you like, but let's just do, I think the easiest is, look at, there's a 10, 3 and 7. So let's go. Circle 3 and 7, and that's 10, right? So it's 10 at 5.
15.
Good. So put the 5 in the ones place and the 1 over there. So now we have 1 and 3 and 1 and 1.
6.
6. Okay, put your thumb up if you're like, got it. Thumb middle if you're like, kinda. Thumbs down, you're like, I'm a little confused still. Okay, let's do some more. Okay, let's go number 3. Everyone say the equation with me. 31 plus 12 plus 24. Now, someone raise your hand. Why do they have this silly little line there? What is it? Why are they separating this? Chrissy, why are they separating this? What's this side? And what's this side? Yes. So if you are like, what are they doing? They're separating them for you. This is the tens place. This is the ones place. All right. Let's look at this. And I don't know. What do you want to do? Do you want to add the 1 and the 2? 1 and the 4? It doesn't really matter. I like to make 5s or 10s. So I'm going to say, okay, look, that's a nice 5 there. So I'm going to go 1 and 4 together is 5, right? Okay, what's 5 add 2? 7. So you just put that in the 1's place, right? Emma, are you writing that down? Okay. Now, what's this side? The 3 and the 1 and the 2 together. The 3, the 1, and the 2 is 6. So your answer is 67. All right, let's do number 4. Okay. We have 25, 15, and 13. Okay, you can add any of those up, but what's a nice one to add up together?
5 times 5.
5 and 5 is really nice because 10s are so easy to work with. 10 is your best friend. Hi, 10. I love you so much. You're so great. 10 and 3 is 13, right? So you do your 1's place over there, 3 and 13. And you still have this. I see homework, guys, that you're forgetting about that, right? You still have to add that. What's the 1 and the 2 and the 1 and the 1? 1 and 2 and 1 and 1 is 5. Okay? It's almost like you have 3 plus 2, right? All right, try 5 and 6. Just do 5 and 6 by yourself. And I'm going to watch you do it, okay? We'll keep going on, but just do, so I'm making sure you guys understand it. Just do 5 and 6. I'm going to walk around. Okay, and it doesn't matter how you do it because you can do it different ways. Nine and 2, that is 11. 11 and 3 together. 4. Okay. Good. 1, 2, 2, 2. 7. 6. No, that number is not right. Okay. So 4 and 1. Good question. All right. I think most of us are getting it. All right, let's do 5 and 6. So we have the 9 and the 2 and the 3. Doesn't matter what you did. Raise your hand if you did the 9 and the 2 together. Okay, raise your hand if you did the 2 and the 3 together. Raise your hand if you did the 9 and the 3 together. You did the 9 and 3 together? No, you have to do 2 of them. All right, let's do, I want to do the 2 and the 3, but you could have done either one, which is 5, 5 and 9, 14, and this number over here, 7. Okay? This one, I'm going to do the 9 and the 1 to get 10. Plus my 2 is 12. My 1 and 1, 3, 1 is 6. All right. I'm going to let you guys keep working. 9 or 7, 8, 9. Going to the next page. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, raise your hand if you're having trouble. But I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to start writing the answers down for here. So if you need help, you can look up here, okay? I'm going to do these bottom ones silently, so if you want to work on these as well. And again, you don't have to do them exactly like me, but the answers should be the same, right? Thank you. All right. If you didn't finish, that is okay. Look over here for the answers for 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 at least. Okay. You can go ahead and go to your next page, 4.6. You can rip that out. That is basically what we're doing for homework. Okay. All right. Then you can go ahead and stand up. Put that in your gold folder.